In this lesson, we will understand what are variables in Java. With that, we will also see an example. Let us start. Variables in Java are named containers that store data values. They have reserved areas allocated in memory. They can hold different types of information such as numbers, text or logical values. So on the right, you can see the syntax. In this, first you need to mention the data type. Data type is a type of data. So here if we want to create an integer variable, we can mention it like this. That is data type, then the variable name, and after that the value. When we will assign the value, the Java variable will get assigned a value 5 here. So here our variable name is strank. So here we have shown how to declare and initialize variables. On the left you can see we declared variables. First two variables are of integer type, that is strank and score. The next one is byte, that is byte A, and after that we have a boolean result variable, okay, which will be having a value of true or false. On the right we are initializing the same variables, so we have assigned a value of 5 to strank, 90 to score, 10 to A and true to result. So in this way we can declare and initialize variables in Java. Now let us see an example to create variables. We will assign an integer variable with the value 90. Let us see the example. Here is our VS Code. We already created a folder Amit Java project and we ran our first file. So let us right click and click new file. Let us name the second file demo2.java. Okay, now let us create a variable in Java. So we will keep the following same. Okay, now here instead of this we will create an integer variable. For that we will first set the data type. Int is a data type for integer. Then we will add the variable name. Let's say our variable name is score, and after that we will assign a value 90. So in this way we created our first variable in Java. To print it, we need to use the same system class, then out, that is the output stream, and then the print method. Here I'll just mention score to print it. Okay, save all. So to run the program, we can either click here or we can right click and select run Java. But to ease our work, we will go to the extensions and here I'll type code runner. Press enter and here you can see code runner is visible. Okay, just select this and install. We have installed it. Let us close. Now we need to run it, but here we need to mention the class name as demo2 because the file name is also demo2. I hope you remember that both the file name and class name should be same. Right click and run code. And here you can see the output is 90. That is, we printed the value of the score variable. So in this way we can create variables in Java.